Mango. You enjoying? You enjoying it? Huh? Having a bit of a sleep. Step up. Come on. Good bud. Come on, budgie. Good budgie. Good budgie. We're still working on the hand taming, but he's doing really well. We live in Australia, but I immigrated from America. He's about 6-7 weeks old. I think 7 weeks old, and he wasn't tamed. So we're going to build a little gym when he's a little bit more active. He does like to sit on the swing. He enjoys his little cage. He's doing really well. Yesterday he came straight from the aviary into his little carry case, and he's sitting with me watching The Voice. He's chirped a bit. So he's a beautiful bird. And he likes watching the mango and blueberry videos. He's getting a little mate in a couple of days. We don't know what to call him. I really want to call him Blueberry, but I think that would be a bit creepy. Anyway, this is Mango. Mango. He's having a good sleep. We might call his little mate. We're thinking Flash or Twitch. Or Speedy. He's having a good old sleep, but yesterday I couldn't do this. Step up. Good boy. Good boy. Alright. Back to your little cage. This isn't his cage. He's got a cage in the other room. This is just his little traveling. He likes to sit on top of it. Oop. And we're watching The Voice. He's really good. He'll let me pet him on the side and on his wings as well. Good night.